What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Yon World, back with another video for y'all. Now, on today's video, we're talking about Sprizzy. This is a Sprizzy campaign review. I went ahead and I ran a Sprizzy campaign right here for a monetized YouTube video. Now, my goal on doing this was I wanted to pick a monetized video on my channel that was over 10 minutes that had a high CPM rate. And my intention on doing this was to see if I would get a return on my investment through Sprizzy. Now, on this video, I'm about to break down everything. I'm gonna show you all the results and what happened on this campaign. Now, as you can see right here, this is the video I chose: how to turn $100 into $5,000 using propeller ads and max bounty. You can see the campaign is finished. Sprizzy said it gave me 920 views and I spent $30. Now, Sprizzy engagement report isn't always 100% correct. We're going to go into the YouTube studio, but I just want to show you something. Total growth from this video was 1,000 views and I got 200 subscribers. I got 10 likes and 2 dislikes. So we can see my campaign started on January 28th. Now, when we go into YouTube Creator Studio, this is the video. Once again, how to turn $100 into $5,000 using propeller ads and max bounty. You can see I have it set this month for the past 28 days. Past month it ran, and you can see I got 1,000 views, 21 subscribers, and I earned $23.72. Now, you can see, you know, how the video was performing in the beginning of January. Only a couple views here and there, 9, 17, 22. But around the 28th is when it started peaking and Sprizzy campaign kicked in. You can see 24 views, 119, 101, 120, 126, 559. You know, that was the peak day, February 2nd. And then it died off around the 3rd, 25 views. Now, we can see the audience retention on this video. They watched for 40%, and that's good. Again, we were promoting a 10-minute video with a high CPM. You know, a video that's already monetized on YouTube. I wanted to promote it through Sprizzy to see if I could get a return on my investment. Now, you see the real-time activity right here. In the past 48 hours, 300 views. So, you know, it's picking up a little bit more natural traction since the Sprizzy campaign, and better than it was compared out through the beginning of January. But you can see my top traffic source is YouTube advertising. So 11% from YouTube search, but 82% from YouTube advertising. And when we go into the full revenue, just to show you, because even though it says I got, you know, 1,300 views this month on this video, when we go into revenue, only 460 of those were considered monetized playbacks. And that's the real thing, because even though your channel receives a certain amount of views, only a certain amount of viewers are shown ads. Like, some viewers click on your video and they don't even see an ad, and they watch it and they'll click off before an ad even plays. So those aren't considered monetized playbacks. But for the 460 people that did see an ad, I got $23.72. Excuse me. But you see the total CPM. The total playback base CPM, right? The total CPM was $100 on this video. Now, that's $100 per 1,000 on this video, and you see I earned $23.72 on this video. So I believe my tests work. If you promote a 10-minute video with a high CPM through Sprizzy ads, you will receive a return on your investment. Now, you know, you want to promote a monetized video. You want to promote a monetized video. You want to, you know, I hope you, even if you don't have your channel monetized, Sprizzy is a good way to use it for growth. But if you have your channel monetized and you believe you have good content, and you see that certain videos have a higher CPM and you want to rank in a search, use Sprizzy, and you will see a return on your investment. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment. I'm out. Peace.